Hi everybody, this is part 3, putting together Tandy's Bison mailbag. I've gone ahead and completed steps 1 and 2. Notice I've put my copper burrs in the closure strap on the front flap. I've put the tab and the buckle on the front panel or the front pocket. There's the roller part of the buckle facing towards the strap. Step 1 and 2. Okay, I've jumped ahead and assembled my gusset, which in the instructions is basically step 5 and step 9. I've riveted them and sewed them, but I've gone ahead and taken the rivets on the top part and I've reversed them so that the burrs are on the outside, the burr side showing. This is just a design thing if you want to show off your burrs. And I left the bottom ones facing inside. So that's gusset assembly. Let's move on to strap assembly, shoulder strap assembly, step 6 and 7 in the instruction set. I've put half of it together to show you the button stud cinching behind the Conway buckle. It's 2 holes behind, and that's so it can clear the attachment for the Conway buckle. Notice the direction of my button hole stud. The fly is pointed towards the center of the strap. And all you do is put the strap in the Conway buckle, mark 2 holes back, and then punch a hole to accept the button stud. I used the 5mm craft tool. That's part number 3779-04. 5mm, and the button stud is the 8mm button stud. That's 11-310-20. I did the antique brass to match the hardware. And this is it for part 3. In part 4, we'll get into construction and continue on Tandy's Bison mailbag assembly.